Welcome back to my channel. Today is not a fail, I promise. We're making garlic confit. This is a super simple recipe and not one of those 48-hour horse poo tutorials. Anywho's, get 1 or 2 or however many oven-safe ramekin bowls. Now add your peeled garlic to it. Fill each one halfway, or full. I mean, you can honestly do whatever. Now add your olive oil just until the garlic is submerged. At this point, you can season it however you like. People do rosemary, and that's nice, I suppose. But I'm not people and I'm broke as hell, and did chili flakes instead. You can do that too or not and just skip this step. Cover it up with tin foil and pop it in a preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius for 35 to 40 minutes. I mean, look at that. Look at it some more. More. Okay, that's enough. It tasted like I worked on it for 3 business days. I slapped that shiz on a slice of toast from a regular as bakery. Not everything has to be sourdough, Sharon. I couldn't tell you how to store it even if I wanted to because I inhaled that shiz. I have no regrets, so don't judge. Please subscribe and like this video so I can afford rosemary. Thanks for watching. Bye.